don't understand. Why? See, it's burning me to hold on to this. I know this is something I gotta do. But that don't mean I want to. What I'm trying to say is that I love you. I feel like it's coming to an end. I think it's better for me to let it go now than hold on and hurt you.
Oh, you're a handicapped magician, nigga. You're like a handicapped magician. Oh, shit. Then I hurt you.
Let it go.
This nigga got lemonade.
Good stuff.
Man, get on with the singing, man.
Confession.
Yeah.
That's confession.